Hey everyone, welcome back to VinVout. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set up and use LCD display with an Arduino. LCD displays like these are very popular. This is a great way to add visual output to your projects. So let's get started. LCD displays are fantastic for showing informations like sensor readings, messages and more. Today we'll be using a 16:2 LCD display with an Arduino Uno. Since it has 2 rows and 16 rectangular columns, we'll cover the wiring, the code and a quick demo. It has 16 pins and the first one from left is the ground pin. Then is the VCC, which we connect to the 5V pin on the Arduino board. Next is the VO pin, on which we can attach a potentiometer for controlling the contrast of the display, or by using a voltage divider, or by supplying a PWM signal from the Arduino to the VO pin of the LCD. We can connect the VO pin to any Arduino PWM pin, and in the setup section, we can use the analog write function. The VO pin will be connected to PWM pin 11. The RS pin, or the register select pin, is used for selecting whether we will send commands or data to the LCD. If the RS is set on low state, then we are sending commands to the LCD like set the cursor to a specific location, turn off the display and so on. And when RS is set to high, we are sending data or characters to the LCD. Next comes the R/W pin, which selects the mode whether we will read or write to the LCD. The E pin, which enables the writing to the registers or the next 8 data pins from D0 to D7. So through this pin we are sending the 8 bits data when we are writing to the registers. The last 2 pins, A and K, or anode and cathode, are for the LED backlight. You can get this test code from examples. First we insert the liquid crystal library, then we have to create an LCD object. The parameters are numbers of the digital input pins of the Arduino board respectively to the LCD's pins as follows. Since we are using the PWM pin, we need to write the analog write function, otherwise we won't see anything on the screen. LCD.print shows the text on the display. If we examine the display closely, we will see small rectangular areas made up of a 5x8 pixel grid. Each pixel can light up individually, allowing us to create characters within each grid. Next, we are creating the custom characters. We are defining 5 custom characters using byte arrays. Each byte represents a row of the character, with each bit in the byte representing a pixel on the LCD. Here we also have an animation. In the loop function, we read the value from a potentiometer connected to the pin A0 and map this value to a delay time using map function, where we give the sensor reading and the corresponding mapping values. This delay controls how fast our little man dances. This creates a simple animation where the man appears to be dancing. The delay time is controlled by the potentiometer, so you can speed up or slow down the dance by adjusting the potentiometer. This is just the beginning. Think of all the projects you can enhance with a visual display. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching.